Back, guys. Hello again. Oh, it's a good thing I took it off. Look at all this mud here. Heaps of mud. We have the wiper channel here with the wiper regulator. I'm going to be cleaning all this out today. Sanding it, painting it, and clearing it. And I've just got to remove this wiper regulator assembly. Yeah, I'm going to paint it. You won't know once the cover's back on, but I will know. The reason why I'm doing this is going to future-proof this channel from ever rusting, and it'll make the water and moisture run off a lot easier in there with clear coat than just having a base coat in there. The prep work takes the longest, you know. I originally was just going to do this bracket here to fix these rust spots up, but you know, considering I'm already here, I'll take care of it, you know, and make it better than what it was. And clean it up, because there was like a big pile of mud and shit here. Also, there's some rust here, there's some rust, so I need to take care of this part. Good thing I took the cover off, because I would have never known about it. I've been cleaning it up. Honda didn't put a lot of paint in that section. I'm going to use a Dremel to clean these bits of rust off. You can use a grinder, but it's a bit aggressive, and also metal hot sparks can actually melt into your windshield, so you best to cover it up with a cloth. Drop sheets are no good, they'll just melt right through it. This is a Dremel. As you can see, it's a very handy tool. It's got a wire wheel on the end of it. It's going to help me remove the rust from the channel here and on this bracket here. This has taken me a lot longer than I thought. Around these, we have plastic caps. There's a little bit of rust. So I had that spot. That side wasn't too bad. A little spot here. I was just sort of chasing it, but at least it's addressed. All nice and clean, primered. Time for some base coat. And then clear, and we'll be done. Been fixing all this up. See? From that to this. With the good old heat gun, man. I cleaned it and painted it, and I even cleared it. It's gonna look brand new when I put it all back together. That turned out really nice. Looks brand new. Did it all properly.